fellow officers from the Philippine Coast Guard and the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary, by the power and authority vested upon me as your elected National Director, I would like to declare the 39th Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary National Convention open.
Today, we have a total of 1,259 gallant men and women of the PCGA and PCG here in Legazpi. This gathering is so important as this is not only a gathering of passionate individuals, but also a platform for sharing insights, fostering camaraderie, and forging stronger bonds with our Coast Guard community.
Just goes to show that we are a maritime nation, not just because of our location, but we are indeed a nation which cannot be set aside in terms of maritime accomplishments. Sa ating mga kabataan na hindi alam ang ibig sabihin ng BRP o Barko ng Republika ng Pilipinas, dapat po siguro ang ituro sa mga kabataang Pilipino pag nakakita ng pangalang BRP. Ang ibig sabihin po niyan ay Boat of Respect and Patriotism. Isang barko na dapat sumagisag sa paggalang at isang barko na dapat sumagisag sa pagmamahal sa bayan.
As we gather here, surrounded by the breathtaking view of the Mayon volcano, hindi ko po maiwasang ikumpara ang Mount Mayon po at ang ating organisasyon. As Mayon stands tall and proud, so does the PCG. We too po stand tall and proud.
Let us embrace the spirit of collaboration and innovation. Together, let's chart the destiny, the course for a safer and more prosperous maritime future for the Philippines. Welcome, and may this convention be a resounding success for everyone. Diyos mabalos po, dagos po sa satuyang syudad. Again, congratulations everyone for being here for this 39th NACON 2024. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po sa Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary. May you continue to work together for a safer, more prosperous maritime nation. Mabuhay po kayong lahat at maraming salamat. Congratulations from your co-patriot.